Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Ranger XLT dual cab ute, stock reference number 4924. The shape runs from the 12th month 2006 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, nudge bar, TJM with all bolts and brackets, factory bumper bar, right hand fog light, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left front guard has one small dent, left power door mirror in chrome, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has two small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It has a 3XM canopy supplied with all bolts and brackets. It does have keys. Tailgate has 5 small dents, tidy rear bumper, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, single plug type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater control, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.